Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change your GMC Terrain wiper blades. First, let's prepare. You'll need new wiper blades. Typically, the driver's side is 24 inches and the passenger's side is 18 inches. Don't forget a 12-inch blade for the rear if your Terrain has one. Always place a thick towel on your windshield to prevent any accidental damage from the wiper arm. Now, let's remove the old blades. Carefully lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright. Look closely at where the blade meets the arm. You'll find a small release tab or button. Press this tab firmly, then slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm. Remember to keep a good grip on the arm so it doesn't snap back onto the glass. With the old blade removed, it's time for the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Carefully slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, which confirms it's securely locked. Once attached, gently lower the entire wiper arm back down onto your windshield, ensuring it rests properly. You're almost done. Repeat these steps for any other wiper blades on your GMC Terrain, including the rear one. Once all new blades are installed, activate your windshield washer fluid and test them to ensure they clear the glass effectively. For best performance and to extend their life, remember to regularly clean your wiper blades and windshield. This simple maintenance keeps your visibility clear.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.